Hey everybody, who doesn't need a chain 'em up ramp? Or who shouldn't need a chain 'em up ramp? We're going to be giving away 3 of them. 3 chain 'em up ramps courtesy of Chain 'em Up and shipped and delivered right to you by Chain 'em Up. So you just have to do these very simple steps. See this video right now? Share it out. Make sure you've liked and following the Canadian Trucking Magazine page and the Chain 'em Up page. And make sure you go to YouTube, subscribe to our Canadian Trucking Magazine page, like this video on YouTube, and leave a message saying, I need a Chain 'em Up ramp. Your name will go in the draw and 3 people will get them. So if you could use one, and hey, you may not be a trucker, you may be somebody that needs one for your camper or doing work on your cars, you can use a Chain 'em Up ramp for just about anything. So like, share, follow, subscribe, and get yourself a Chain 'em Up ramp. We got 3 to give away, and keep on trucking. Hey everybody, I'm Dave MacKenzie. I'm your video host here at Canadian Trucking Magazine.
And I'm Jessica from Chain 'em Up.
Hey, and what do we got here?
This is the Chain 'em Up ramp.
It is fantastic. How can they learn more about that?
You go to chainemup.com.
Oh, that sounds like a great idea. And don't forget to like and follow us on Canadian Trucking Magazine.
Yep.
And like and follow them on on the Chain Up too.
Yeah, that's correct.
You gotta listen to Jess because she knows what she's talking about. And what do we always say to everybody?
Keep on trucking.
Trucking.